Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using the new exclusive stamp set, Snow is Glistening, along with the Snowfall Thinlits. Aren't those a beauty? And this is the card that we're going to be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our Big Shot, and we're going to do our cutting first. So I have a piece of copper foil sheet, and this is cut at 3.5 by 3 3/4. And this big snowflake is from the Snowfall Thinlits. Let me just let you take a look at these real quick. This is a new bundle that's going to be coming out on November the 1st. So you get all of these dies. And then there's 2 exclusive stamp sets, and they're only available in the month of November. So make sure you get your hands on them while you can. All right, so it's going to cut out perfectly. Set that aside. And I have a piece of MERLOT, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm going to get this embossing folder, and I forgot the name of it, so I will put it on the screen. And I'm just going to line it up with that black line here. And I'm going to run that through. Oops. You only need 1 plate for this one. All right. So let's start putting this card together. All right, I have a piece of the white shimmer paper. And I'm going to get my MERLOT ink. And then the stamp set we're using is Snow is Glistening, and we're going to be using Joy and Merry Christmas to You and Peace on Earth to all the world. And that is the exclusive stamp set I was telling you about. So I'm just going to put it right here in the center. And then I have my 1 1/4 circle punch. And I'm just going to pop that out. Then I have my 1 1/2 circle punch. And I have the Joyous Noel Glimmer paper. I'm just using that gold piece. All right, and our card base is soft suede, SAHARA sand. And this is cut at 8.5 by 5 1/2, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And then I have the sentiment, and that is mounted on clear block D, and we're going to ink that up in the MERLOT as well. So we'll just stamp it right here in the center. Right, now that's all the stamping that we are doing. And then I have a piece from the Joyous Noel Specialty Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 1 1/2 by 5 1/4. And then I have a piece of the soft suede, and this is cut at 5 1/4 by 1 3/4. So I'm just going to line that up. So So just like that. And we're going to put this down in the middle of the embossed piece. So just like that. And I do have a little bit shorter, so I'm going to get my snail. Alright, so just like that, and you want to give it a good rub down so that way it stays adhered to your card. Now I'm going to come in with some mini glue dots. And I'm going to put this down right here in the center. And I'm going to take my foil piece and I'm just going to run it over the trash can here and get all those pieces out. And I should have ran it through with my precision base plate, and I don't know why I didn't. But anyhow, here it is. I'm going to pop that up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. All right, so we are going to put it right here in the center. And I think I'm going to pop this up too. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple card using the Snow is Glistening stamp set and the Snowfall Thinlits. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, they will be available in November. Please order them from my online store. Bye!